Hello everyone, my name is Dhananjay Reddy Manne. I am part of Informatica Global Customer Support Team. In this presentation, we will be going through how to run Scorecard in Spark mode in data engineering integration using Analyst Tool. Moving on, today's agenda is what is Scorecard, prerequisites to run a Scorecard in Spark mode demo summary. Moving on, what is Scorecard? A scorecard is a graphical representation of valid values for a column in a profile. You can create scorecards and drill down on live data or stage data. Use scorecard to measure data quality progress. For example, you can create a scorecard to measure data quality before you apply data quality rules. After you apply data quality rules, you can create another scorecard to compare the effects of the rules on data quality. Scorecards display the value frequency for columns as scores. The scores reflects the percentage of valid values in the columns. After you run a profile, you can add columns for the profile as metrics to a scorecard. You can create metrics groups so that you can group related metrics to a single entity. You can define thresholds that specify the range of bad data acceptables for columns in a record and assign metric weights for each metric. When you run a scorecard, the analyst tool generates weightage average value for each metric group. To further access data quality, you can also assign a fixed or variable cost to each matrix. When you run scorecard, the analyst tool computes the sum of the cost of bad data for each matrix and display the total cost. Moving on. Prerequisites to run a scorecard in Spark mode. Create JDBC connection for profiling warehouse database. Since JDBC is not supported in Spark mode for sources and target, internal switch takes place which converts the JDBC profile warehouse connection to JDBC v2. The JDBC v2 connector requires the job to be placed in InfoHome connectors third-party Informatica JDBC v2 Sparks so that it could be loaded and used at the runtime. So we need over exchange for JDBC v2 license. For example, if you are using Oracle database, then you can copy the Oracle data direct jar from InfoHome services shared jars third party com Informatica data direct Oracle jar to InfoHome connectors third party Informatica JDBC v2 jar and restart the DIS. Let me log into the server machine and show you. As you can see now, this is inside this third party directory, and you can see I have the com Informatica data direct Oracle job that I have placed it under the InfoHome connector third party Informatica JDBC v2 Spark. I have already performed the DIS restart as well. Moving to the demo part. Let me log into the Analyst tool. Now I have logged into the Analyst tool. First, we need to uh, create a scorecard. First, we can new and we can open a profile. And you can go to the scorecards. And scorecards will be created on top of the profile. So first we need to select a profile. I have already created a profile. Now I am using the same profile. Once you have opened the profile, on the top menu, we had an option to add to scorecard. I am creating a new scorecard. I'm giving a name as test new scorecard demo. I'm selecting test scorecard. Click on next, and I am selecting all columns. Click on next, and you can specify these requirements based upon your requirements. I will go all with the default. Here we need to select the runtime environment as Hadoop, and we need to select Spark, and we need to browse and select the connection. I am using this connection and click on OK, and you can do save and run. The scorecard is being saved and it will run. As you can see, the scorecard has been created and it is running the scorecard. We can get the scorecard log as well from monitor tab, execution, statistics, the respective DIS which you have configured for the analyst service. And here you can see the test new scorecard demo is running. And you can see it has created an InfoSpark application. It is running in Spark mode. Let's wait for the scorecard to complete. As you can see, the scorecard has been successfully completed and it is showing the results here. And you can see the scorecard has been successfully completed. In this way, you can run the scorecard in Spark mode. And also, like if you have run the scorecard profile in native mode, on top of that, you can run the scorecard in Spark mode. And if you run the profile in Spark mode, and you can run the scorecard in native mode. The engine between the profile and the scorecard you can change. You can go through these articles for more details. We would like to hear from you on our social media handles. Please give us your valuable feedback over there. Thank you all.